Hello, my wonderful audience. This is iChunks. Today, we are doing homework on Delta Math. As the video suggested, this will last, until I complete this part and this part. So, without further ado, let's just put on some music. This is what will hopefully help me out with later parts of the work. And, just get right on into it. Oh, wait, hold on. I actually forgot my, I gotta grab my notes. Just math book. There you are. Or not math book. Math notes. Oh, if I had a math book, that would probably greatly help. But unfortunately, this is the best I can do. Alright, so let's see. Find the sin of L. Round it to the nearest hundredth, if necessary. So you see how the L's right here, right? This is a right angle. This right angle is sideways. It's like as if it got toppled over this way, right? And so because of that, that would mean that L is at the top. And since it's sin, that would mean that we want 10 and 26. And so because of that, S goes at the top. So S is the bottom. 10. Wait. Yeah, okay. S is the bottom one. And then the IN is 26. What's up with the music? Okay, do I not have autoplay on? Holy shit, I might not have it on. I'll just keep on pressing it. It's no issue. So back to this. After that, we then want to go to the scientific calculator. Let's see, I'm not about to do this math, okay? Look, I already have to do enough math in my day-to-day life. So 0.38, wait, nope, it's the hundredths, so yeah, it should be it. Alright, yeah, that's correct. Okay, we can go to the next one. Sin V. So this one's the bottom right, which means that it moves to left and right, right? Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so we need to find this one, which would mean I guess that. Anyway, which means so you have to first do this, or 324, and 30. I don't care how simple the math is, I'm still not doing it. Okay, so 900. Yep, that works. And then we minus it by 324, which is 576. Then we put in this, 576 again. 24, okay. What do I do afterwards? Oh yeah, that's right. So the 24 goes over here, and then since we want sin V, let's see, the S would go at the top. So we will put 24. IN goes at the bottom. So 30. Oh wait, that's right. Simplest form. Hopefully that's it, and it's not that I mess this up, or else I'll be stuck here again. Actually, it'd be better if I just did this because well, to be frank, I don't know what to do here, and you weren't here earlier, so you know what? Screw it. I guess let's just go back to 1, like always. 3/5. What? Oh my god. So, I got this part right, but once again, you didn't see it earlier. I put the 4 at the bottom instead of the 5. Wow. Seems like so I'm just gonna be stuck at a score of 1 out of 10. And I'll never be out of this hell. Well, it's whatever. At least my notes are right. Cosine! Cos at C, which is to the right, and cosine at the right is left and right. Okay, so we need to get the hypotenuse. Alright, alright. Let's, 24 exponent 2, which is 576. 100 plus 576 equals 676. Alright, and then we have the logarithm, 676, 26. And then for this we'd it's cosine, so the s goes at the bottom. So 26 at the bottom, 24 at top. Alright. Next we do this and we find out what makes them similar. Let's see, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, I'm sorry, what? Oh, that's 13. Yeah, I guess that would make sense if all your other ones are that. Okay, so in 13 and 12. And 13. Huh? What? Huh? That what? Huh? 1, 2, 13, 2. This. You don't think it can be... You don't think 24 goes into 13, do ya? No, that'd be crazy. 24. Wait, are you sure though that this is right? Wait, holy shit, that's a C. It's cosine C. That's so C. That's C. The C's at the right. It's not top. It's so it's bottom and right. So I'd put 10 at top, and then 13 at bottom, and then with that we get 5. Oh, thank God I realized that mistake. Okay, sin B, so that's top. Sin B, top. We need the hypotenuse again. Great. At least we're, starting to get this, so, let's just keep going. We'll be at 900, so we just need to find out what this is. 256, okay, 900 plus 256, which is 1156. And we need to shorten it all down, so we use this, and then we get 34. And it would be 34 at the top. Right, because B is at the top, this is top, and S is... yeah, okay. And then we have the IN part, which is to the right, which is the hypotenuse, so I need to put this back to here, because that's IN. Yeah, okay. And then the S goes at the bottom, so this is 16. Uh, 16. That's not what I meant to do. 16 over 34 equals 0.47. Oh my God! The 1 out of 10 curse is gone. I finally had 2 out of 10. Oh my gosh, you can turn off this heater too, because I no longer need it. Oh yeah, there we go, my numbers are back. This is sin with E, So sin goes into left and right. Okay. And since it wants a fraction, I can just put 2 out of 9, right? That's what it looks like. Whoa! 3 out of 10! Why does this have to be what I consider a high? Anyway, this is the top. That went like that. Alright, so Senji, which means that I need the S is at the bottom, the IN is at the right. Okay, so then we need a minus. Let's see. 36 over 2, and then 45 over 2. 2025. Hey, that's last year. Where'd the other one go? $2,005 minus 1296. Yeah, okay, that's right. 729, and we then arithmetics. I think that's what it's called. 17, not 8, 9. It's just 27, and then since that's the bottom, it goes at the top. So 27, and then the hypotenuse, the 45, goes at the bottom. 45. I don't think that this can be shortened, but just in case, 45, 3. Are you serious? 27, 3. Well, I'll be. Alright, well, if you say so. 9, 15. These both can't make the same thing, right? S, which is 0, 27. Goes at the top. Okay, that should be it. What? Where's the mistake? Both of these numbers are different. Can they hit at a different point? What happened to the music? Oh. Oh, I didn't realize Small Shock was this short. Kinda wish it was longer. Also, put that back on. I just sworn it was randomized earlier, but oh well, okay. 2, 3, 2. We can also do 5, but that won't work since that's a 27. Are we sure it's 27, by the way? We don't have a choice but to believe it. 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh. Okay. 3. Oh, thank God. In Gene 120, if we were actually doing this, I'd have to, or if this was a test, I'd have to go through every single number every single time. But of course, it's not as if I'd have to do it every single time, since we'd only be doing identifying trio ratios probably like 1 or 2 times before we move on to this and then all those other ones. Or maybe we just ignore it and instead be replaced with some of the harder ones. Anyway, Sin J. J is at the right, so we need to get the hypotenuse. 2, 32, which is 900. I wasn't really paying attention there. Add that to 256. Okay, and then we shorten it. 1156 gets us 34. Okay, and then since it's this, the the IM, which would be the hypotenuse, goes at the bottom, so 34 bottom. The S, so that's 30. Alright, and then we put that in here too, which gets us 0.88. Hey! Hold on. I really like from now on. I'm gonna put a like on this. I thought it was liked earlier. I guess just in, let's see, how many playlists are you in? Okay, I could have sworn you were in more playlists than this. I mean, it is, but okay, sure. What are we doing here again? Cosine E, which is on the top. So cosine is left and right this time. Alright, if that's like that, then we need to get the hypotenuse again. Wow, what a shocker! Why don't you tell us something new? Dude, I don't know anything new. I learned this, I think, last year, but I can't remember any of it. So, you know, go figure. We're just adding them, so 64. 225, 289, and then this 5, 9, not 5, gets us 17, and then with this, the S goes bottom, so 17 over 15. Oh, hey, what do you know? That's still, rounding. I mean, it was gonna be rounding, obviously, but, you know, it's, more different than I thought. Okay, then we get 0.88. Oh. I kind of forgot about this song, so I was just curious on, like, where on earth did this go? Oh, hey, this one's pretty good. As a fraction, simplest terms. Sin S. So, S is top, which means we want bottom and right. Okay. S is the bottom, and the bottom goes on top. 21. S and iron goes in 35, and it goes in the bottom. Okay. I probably should just put it up here, huh? 35. Okay, and then back to here, which gives us let me just simplify it. 7, right? Yeah, it's 7. Okay, so the next question just becomes, can I get smaller than 7? This gives us a 3 and a 5. So I do. Cosine H, which is right, which means that bottom right. Okay, so we need this. Got it. And then we can also just hurry this part up a bit by putting the S, which is 26, at the bottom. Okay, there you go. That'll speed things up a bit, hopefully. 676. Real close to Doe's number, pal. Real close. 76, which gets 100, which means it's 10. Okay. And then, how many numbers? Okay, not what I meant to do there. How many numbers can you get? 10, 5. Okay, just 5. And then 26, you can't get 5, right? Yeah, so it's just 2. Which makes 5 and 18. What? That's just the wrong number. I mean, it seems like as if it's the same thing, so... Yeah, for me, actually, being so cautious on everything, huh? Ugh, I'm so scared, because one of these might just be wrong, and then just like that, it goes so tumbling down. Anyway, Sin, so bottom right, again. Man, Tish, couldn't you have made these a bit more on the easier side for me? uh... It never ends. It never, ever ends. Anyway, let's go. So, S is at the bottom. So, that's the hypotenuse. So, top is the hypotenuse. Bottom is IN. IN is right, which means 14. Why did I say top? What am I even talking about right now? God, just focus on the work. I must have did something wrong, but it didn't like this. That's the truth, it probably is. I must have got something right wrong. I must have, right? I mean, 5 does get to 25, so it must be you then. 14. 14. It's 196. Wait. Right? Yeah, and if you turn your head around, then it went like this. So it's definitely not addition. 196, 196, 196 minus 5. You sure do know how to make things as close as possible. Whatever, let's just do this again. God, I don't remember. Okay. 196 minus 25. And then that gets us 171. So then we want to put this here. 171. Right, which gets us 13. Okay. And for this, we want to do nearest hundred, so 13.07. 8. 14. Which gets us 0.93. Oh, looks like as if I'm screwed, huh? There's one bad run in. 9683. That's still the same answer. Alright, let's just go ahead and get this over with. But I get all. So. What? What? Huh? But holy, I was looking at the wrong thing! That's the top one, not the there I go, once again, just giving up instead of looking harder. Okay, that's fine. Tan and G. Let's see, G is the right. This time we won't mess up again. Like last time. Okay, so let's see. the T goes in the left, and the 10 goes in the bottom. So 32 below, and 24 on top. Right? Yeah, that correct. Okay, good. Wait. Yeah, okay. I didn't make any mistakes. I'm so goddamn paranoid. I need to get over it, but I can't. I think it's helping. Hey. I don't think 24 goes to 8, right? Right? Holy shit, I'll be damned, it does. 3. Okay, well, I don't see why that could be wrong, so... Let's put US 4 and US 3. Should be right. 10 G. That's right. Which is top, which is left and bottom. 32 is the AN. AN goes on top. Oh, that got close. Wow. It's like as if this song was expecting it, huh? You thought that I'd lose, didn't you, Toby? YouTube? I don't know what you're trying to call you. Maybe I just call you my PC. Maybe. Anyway, 10 Fs. Bottom and left. Okay, so bottom, left. We need to get this part. Okay. 21 over 2. Thank you so much for asking me. The ones I'm actually happy about it. No, let's just over 2. 1 2 2 5. 1 2 2 5. Which then gets minus by 4 4 1. 2 7 8 4. And we put U in 7 8 4 28. Okay, that works. And then the AN goes top, so 28 goes here. And then at the bottom we have the T, which is 21. Holy moly, I immediately forgot that I have to simplify this. Wait, make sure real quick. S. Holy. It almost happened again! Holy, it almost happened! It almost happened, almost happened, almost happened, almost happened, almost happened. Okay, no. S means S is at the bottom, right? So, in fact, the T, which is the left side, will go bottom, which is 28. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh my god. I was far too close. Not only that, but I also meant to simplify this. So, 2 stones with 1 bird, right? What was that? I don't know. Felt fun though. We know that it hits 7, but is there nothing else you can hit? I mean, you can hit 14. But I don't think that, I mean, we can check if, 21 can hit it. Nope. Okay, so... 7, right? 4 and 3. 3/4. Huh, this reminds me of another problem we did. What? I got that wrong? Well, I can see how I got that wrong. Wait a minute. Did I put the T at the left. And T goes bottom. That's what I put. In my notes. But that's not it. Huh. Okay, let's pull out the good old backpack for this one and, go ahead and fix that mistake. So then T goes there, A, N. Hold on, show examples, yeah, you're 10 and O like this. Let's see, 16. Are they just the same? I mean, that's what this is suggesting. 10I. No, the 12 goes at the bottom this time. Wait. What? Okay, so I need to swap these. Two. A and T. Right? Let's see, this was only one way to find out, and that's from scanning another one, right? But luckily, it seems like as if they want us to hurry on over, so... cosine W. W is on the right, bottom right, so CO, which is top. 1. The S is right, so we want 35. Yeah, okay, that's affirmative. Next, we have to go here and just start strangling this. 7 should be the smallest they can get, so 3 and 5, right? Yeah, okay, that should be it. Sin Q. Okay, Sin and Q. Q is bottom right. So it'd be left and right. Okay. 20 and 25. 20 is on 20 is on the left. So it's the S, and the S goes on top. Yeah, 20 goes on top. And then that would mean that 25 goes on the bottom because it's the hypotenuse one. Yeah, okay, good. Next, we have to simplify all this. We know that 5 can make them all, so let's see if anything else can. It should just be 5. Alright. I trust you. Oh wait, no, it didn't ask me to do that. Okay. Doing unnecessary work, I guess, and I put that in wrong. So 0.8. Oh my god, we're finally almost done with the work for today. Well, not, yeah, the assignment for today, and then we get on to the homework. How long has this been? 30 minutes, holy shite. That's not appropriate. Whatever. Cosine S. That's bottom right, and COS. So it should be bottom. So it should be bottoms on the top, and the hypotenuse is on the bottom. 15. 25. Yeah, okay, that's right. And then once the fractions to get as simplified as possible, that should be 3 and 5. I don't think there's anything smaller than that. Ah! We're done with the beginning! Now we just have 10 more to go! Solve for x. Round to the nearest tenth if necessary. Okay, so I have work here that I did put in, right? Like, let's see. If the x is at the bottom, then it goes at the top, right? For, wait, which one is this? This is, it's bottom and right. Bottom right, which is sin. So yeah, x should be at the top. And then we do over 2. Okay, so let's right now just put x over 2. Okay, cool. And then since we can't just leave it like that, we then go to my handy dandy calculator because I don't I don't know the other parts. Okay. Sin cos tan. Okay. Yeah, we're good here. And then let's see. If I remember correctly, this would go the following. 2 sin 2. Wait, no, not 2. 26. Okay. 26. And then you would put x fraction 2, which gets us. Is that how it works? I mean, that's how my notes say it works. Let's quickly check the example and make sure that I didn't get anything wrong there. Let's do one that actually fits, though. That way, there'll be nothing else to... Holy, just give me a sin. Damn. Okay, so. Let's see, 9, so it goes there. Equals, since the bottom. Yeah, that should be it. I mean, we can go ahead and get rid of you just in case if you're screwing things up. Okay, no, we're gonna put everything in like how it's supposed to be. 2. Which leaves it as 0.7. Oh, it says nearest 10, so 0.8. I made a mistake there? Where? Oh, let's see, yeah, that's how that works. Huh? What? How'd you get something less then? What? Huh? Either A, this thing's wrong, or B, my calculator's wrong. Huh. Yeah, I was gonna have gone. Well, maybe it's because I put sin instead of SOH. Do you see SOH here? No. So then. That's that? Yeah, I guess that's that. Well, don't fret me. This is a simple thing, really. Despite all your worrying, it's fairly quaint. After all this means is that we just gotta go at it one more time. If we get the same thing, then it's a simple, oh yeah, just add like 1 to it, or add 0.1 to it. If it's a different number completely, then we just gotta go ask our teacher and we'll end our studying today for now. Because this is what my notes say to do. Let's see, sin... Wait, so 5 is the bottom, 5 is the right part, so... Make sure you don't have anything wrong. Anything wrong and this whole thing could go right, like last time. Yeah, that should be it. Oh, wait a minute, is that it? Is it because I put multiply instead of times? Maybe. To what? Okay, so this says that'd be negative 22.9. Okay, so we're gonna not put the equal sign there. We're just gonna put u here, which gets negative 0.9. Huh. Maybe I have to do it differently. And what'd you put for the last one? There's no different way to answer that, so... Let's just give it one more try, because... I mean... And we stop our studying session, so... This is a... cosine. So... 9.2. And 50. Moment of truth, 0.26. For a second, I was gonna be like, whoa, that actually worked. I was gonna be extremely surprised, mind you. And there was no other way to do this, so... Oh, no, okay, that was just wrong. Alright, well, I guess we'll give it one more try, right? Wait, isn't this the exact same way that one went? Okay then. If you say so... Let's, switch this then. 96, okay. Yeah, that's about all I can get from that. And it's definitely not whatever the heck that is, so... moment of truth, this or that. X. Oh wait, hold on. Maybe then those? Huh. Well then I guess that's that. I don't know how you could do this. I don't even know. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe hold on. Okay, there's one thing I can think of, right? Okay, so and then we put sin 68 trigonometry sin 68 6 sin 68. If this can get the same answer, we're in. Okay. I thought this was doomed, but it's not. There's still hope. I'll be honest, I'm not completely sure if I'm happy about that. For a second, I thought I'd be given a break, you know? No more work at all. Just, I guess, a sense of freedom, if anything. Alright, well. It says that if the hypotenuse has a number, then 69 goes there, so... Alright, let's put 6... So, let's do this, right? 96 changes to 16. 68 changes to 22. $42.8. I know, 42.7. Alright, well, that ain't work. I guess... Oh! That's right, I have to change this to cosine. I mean, I'm not completely sure that all, but... I mean, I did change the answer, 17.3. Can't believe I'm actually having to do this work still. Just really hoping on that break, but... if you say so. Let's see. Which one fits? Yeah, this is the perfect fit. Or, not perfect, but it's as good as I'll get. So, we want to do it like this, right? So, then... we want to do... X, and then... sure enough, it's the best way I'll be able to actually get an answer and figure this out, right? So then... 5, 2... why are you even still alive, 6? Die! Alright, and then... 2.1. Wait, this is a tan. Okay. We need to change this. Remember, 52. Why don't you just get rid of this, just in case? I'm not about to let anything happen. Okay, that's... it's not a good idea, alright? Solution. There's only one more thing I can think that can help. Yep, I guess that's that. Can't really figure it out, huh? This is just something completely different at this point. Nothing to gain from looking at this. But you know it's pointless. But hey, I mean, might as well keep trying. Just one more attempt, right? With you. With you. Wait a minute. This is a sin. Because of that, it flipped and then it went like that, giving us this, so it's sin. It's a sin. Sin. Let's see. If the X, this should be fine. Let's see. So then it should be the same. And if it isn't, then we can just flip it. Okay, so let's see, 80. Of 59. Which gets us 50.9. Not it. Alright, well then we can still try this walked. Let's see, 5, 9. No, this is 80. 80. And then we change you into a sin and 59. 93.3. Oh, this was a cosine? Well, I could have sworn this wasn't a cosine. Huh? Hold on. This is a cosine. That is all but confirmed. That's the hypotenuse. Adjacent and opposite. What? Wait, no. You're fine. Just let's see. And then yeah. Huh. Okay. Well, I guess I can't really take this at any other value, huh? It's just doesn't completely make sense, but I'll give up after this. I just am so somewhat curious to. Wait, no, we know that this works. So, yeah, you know what? That'll be it. I did my best, and we'll set the ask the teacher out tomorrow. So make sure to like, subscribe, most of all, bye, and I'll try my best to make a actual video tomorrow. See ya.